Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash, and I am going to be working with the NYX and Barbie collection because it's almost time for the Barbie movie, and I'm super excited for it, even though my husband does not want to go see it. So this is the PR Vault. I'm not on NYX's PR. I just bought this at Ulta because I had enough points, and this it's kind of a crappy box. I'm not gonna lie, it's a kind of a crappy box. But the products are so cute. So I'm gonna start with the number one thing that I was excited for, and it's this phone. It's so tiny though. It is such a tiny mirror phone, but it is so freaking cute. It's cute. There are two palettes. This one is Turn Up the Kinergy, and this one is it's a Barbie party. Yeah. But look at how freaking adorable this is. So this is the Barbie one, this is the Ken one. It comes with mini lip products, and there's actually lip product in here. It is so tiny. Like, I don't think this is doing justice how tiny it is, but this one has a butter gloss attached to it, and then this one has, again, a butter gloss, but it's clear. So this is what the Kennedy one looks like. Very cute, very tiny. These are very thin, by the way. And then this is the Barbie one. I wish this one was more pink. I wish it had more pink, but cute nonetheless. There's a little cheek trio, which I think is just supposed to be a blush. I think this is supposed to be a bronzer, but that will probably be an orange blush on me, and then a highlighter. This highlight looks like it might be too dark on me, so I'm not going to be using this in today's look, but I will swatch it and everything. And then there are two matte lip creams and another butter gloss in full sizes. I am super excited for these. I love the NYX lip products. Two jumbo eye pencils in a blue and a pink. And then there is a pair of lashes. I don't know if the camera's going to do it justice. These are an ombre lash, so it has pink through it. Yeah, you can kind of see the pink in it. It looks so cute. I am a sucker for colored lashes. I love them, especially when it's colored mixed with black. I just think it flows a lot better, but I am super excited for these products, and let's just jump into actually applying it. But like I said, I'm filming a video on a broken stand right now, and that is ruining my mood today. It's just not my day, but we'll do the makeup. Not gonna lie, I am like burning up right now. It's just not a good day. I'm gonna go in with this blush, and I don't have really that many small brushes. This is obviously not a brush for blush, but we're gonna hop into this and hope for the best. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of the pigment, and I think I can make it work. I love a good pink blush. I got to blush the nose. I just can't not. Surprisingly, this is working pretty well. This is a KVD 25 brush. I think it was for foundation. I want to keep with the pink theme, so I'm going to go in with this ColourPop, if I can open it, Candy Floss highlighter. This is like pretty old, but it still works. The other highlighter I think is just going to be too dark and too gold, and this one is just absolutely gorgeous. If ColourPop still has this in stock or available, you need it if you're a fan of really pink highlighters, that is. Pink and glittery. And I know that it's not really Barbie-esque to have freckles, I think. Honestly, I haven't done anything Barbie related in many years, but I like, you know, faux freckles, so why not? Now for the eyes, I'm going to use both palettes. I think this one, I wish there was more pink in it. I think mixing, I really like these pinks here. I'm going to mix so those two in with some of the browns on this side and go from there. But first, I'm going to prime with my ABH eye primer, my favorite, hands down, eye primer ever. These pans are so small, it's almost comical. But I'm going to start with this brown shade and mix it in with this shade. And I would use the Barbie mirror, but I need a little bit bigger to know what the hell I'm doing. So mix those two shades together, and that is more warm than I thought it was going to be, but it'll be fine. I haven't used NYX shadows in a very long time, and that is actually pretty pigmented. I'm not mad at it. I'm going to go in with just that lighter shade and kind of diffuse what I have going on. I'm going to go over to the Ken one, and I'm going to go into this bright shade here. Oh, look at it, this one looks a little more purple. Anyways, I'm going to go in with that pink shade, and I'm going to start putting that on the outer V. It's pretty pigmented. I'm not going, obviously, for a traditional Barbie look because that's just not my style. And take a little bit of that pink and start working that on my lower lash line. Very similar to how I've been doing my looks lately. I feel like I've done pink in the outer corner quite a lot lately, but I love pink and red. I just love that on my eyes. My DoorDash order is almost here. These tacos make everything better, right? I'm gonna go in with this lighter, like almost orangey pink shade. And I'm gonna put that around the brownish front. Unorthodox, I know, but I really like a very colorful, heavy inner corner. If your eyes are too close together, like you have close set eyes, I wouldn't recommend doing this because it can bring your eyes even closer together. Whereas if you have very far apart eyes and you want to bring them a little bit closer together, do like a darkness on each. Inner corner, that was my phone. Just fell. Love it. Love everything. I'm going to take it below. And that mixed in with that pink. I love that. Yep, this is very similar to the last look I just did, but it's Barbie, so it's okay. Just going back in with that first pink to really kind of intensify that. I think the blue would look kind of cool in this, but I don't know if I want to use it, so I'm going to go first in with this pink, and I'm just going to put this in like my waterline and like smudge it kind of in my lower lash line. This is a good place for me to stop because I think my food just arrived, so I'm going to go grab that, eat, and then I will be right back to finish my makeup. Alright, so my food's here, and I'm actually just going to finish my makeup and then I will eat because they have actually pretty good tacos. It's the Guzman Gomez Mexican Kitchen. They just opened near me not too long ago, and they're bomb. Love it. So, makeup. Honestly, I'm to the point where I just want to say no more, but I want to try some of the shimmers. So I think from the Kinergy one, I'm going to put this one on my inner corner, because why not? Can't see what I'm doing. That one is more like purpley, but I think it works. And I'm going to pick up the pink one in this palette, and I'm going to put that all on my lid without any glitter glue, so hopefully this works. Oh, it's a very pretty pink. I love that. Very pretty, very pink. I'm actually going to take a little bit more on my finger and smudge it on my lower lash line. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to apply the lashes off camera because they are new lashes. It's going to take me a few seconds / minutes to get it correctly on my eyes. And I'll do my lips. I'll pick out which lipstick I want to use, and then I will be back to wrap up this video. I have no idea what I'm going to do with my hair, and I'm probably going to eat in between all this, so yeah. Also, my stand broke for my TikToks, and it dropped my phone. Luckily my phone didn't break, but fun times. Okay, I will be right back. Kinda. It has been an experience trying to get my videos filmed. I have cried about 3 times already. It's about 3 hours after I said I was going to be done, you know, eating lunch and everything. Just like this stupid thing broke. I tried using it anyways and it just wasn't working. And this is going to be me complaining for a few minutes, so if you're not into that, I apologize. I'll get back to the makeup in a minute. But this thing broke. It kept dropping my phone. I tried using it anyway. I just broke it further. And then I'm using an app on my phone that I pay money for to film and edit videos, and I was using it fully for the first time today to film my videos, and nothing wants to work for me. All my files are bad, and I don't understand like how people use it and film with it. I know people do it. I know they do it. Maybe I'm just stupid. I don't know. And of course, your Aunt Flo has to come and visit, and it's a Monday, and I've been up for almost 12 hours already, and it's not even 5 o'clock. Anyway, back to the makeup. I finished off the eye with a little bit of black liner, just a little smudge liner, and then the lashes and the Anastasia Lash Brag mascara. I went in with one of the lips and I did a Jaclyn Hill lip liner. I'm not sure which one. I will list it below. That's the overall for the collection. I think it's really cute. I really like it. Is it something that you need in your life? No. But I think this is a cool novelty thing to have. Jumbo eye pencils, of course, are always good to have. They work wonderful as bases for eyeshadow. I should have used the pink one as a base today, but I wasn't thinking that far ahead. The 3 regular size lip products, these are actually really pretty. I'm only wearing one on my lip now, which I think is the Perfect Day Pink, the darker one. Maybe, I don't know. And the gloss is actually really pretty. I think the gloss probably would have went better with this look, but I didn't feel like having gloss on today. As for the cheek palette, I think the blush is really stunning, but I don't think that the other 2 shades are going to work for me. I really like the blush though. And like these eye palettes, the quality on the shadows are actually really nice. I'm surprised. I know NYX has been hit or miss for a lot of people lately. They're so cute and I quite like these. I probably won't throw this collection in with my palette roulette series that I'm doing over on TikTok, but it's cute nonetheless. And honestly, I think my favorite thing is this mirror phone, even though it's kind of useless on doing your makeup, but if you need to like check your lashes and whatnot. Oh, by the way, the lashes, really pretty. I don't know if the pink is picking up on camera. You can kind of see the lightness, but I really like it. So like top, probably the lashes and this I really like. The palettes, like I said, cute. Are they necessary? No. And then the NYX lip products are always great. And yeah, I'm going to end this video before I have another meltdown. And yeah, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And I am just going to log off for the day and tomorrow and just not deal with anything. Anyways, have a great day. Hopefully it's better than my days have been. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.